we trying to film.
Hey.
Told you they had snacks.
What's up, vlog? I gotta make it real quick because I got this music in the background. I'm at Sprak skate park right now. You wanna take a look? Boom, they're the homies right there. I'm still in Super Fish Eye, but I'm putting a new setup together. Just got it from home skate shop. We finna skate. It's not gonna be too many clips in here of people skating. It's just gonna be us chilling and stuff. So, be back in a minute.
Why do I have any music to count? I'm a performer. I can't play an instrument.
What's up, bro? What you gotta say to the internet?
What?
So what you gotta say to the internet? Oh my gosh. Productions, what's up, my nigga? What's up?
It's a little hot, you know, but we're getting clips, having fun.
Getting
Build
clips.
pulled up, so it's up. It's good.
Yeah, boy, you know what I'm saying? Little fresh little board. Feel me like it's the Rick the Clouds? You feel me, the Rick the Clouds? We out here. We out here. YouTube. Woo! Yeah! What's up?
That nigga skate like Gilbert Crockett, bro.
Cause you keep running on top. You gonna do it again? Parkour! Oh!
Oh, see, look. Jamil. Timu knee brace. Timu
Everything. Timu, he Timu'd out.
Timu'd out,
Oh,
baby.
I got Timu. Where your Timu at? I ain't got no Timu on today.
I got Goodwill. This may be Timu, but I doubt it. But we got those eye shides, you know what I'm saying?
Fit check with the black eye shines.
Face on grip.
Mighty Morphin shirt.
You know what I'm
looking
saying?
fresh. Mikey, what you wearing? Faded. No, I'm joking.
My Amazon Americas. He's just mad because I keep calling him Jamal.
Stop calling me that.
Well, that's your name, is Jamal.
Fit check.
Amazon shoes.
Amazon shoes.
Champion socks.
Champion, yup.
9-year-old pants.
9-year-old pants.
Shorts.
Short, you know, same thing.
Faded ass Komodo shirt.
Team Komodo.
Komodo. Jamil. Your name is Jamal.
See, that's what I'm saying. He be playing too much. What?
Afro-Damus.
Stop it, bro. Stop it. Y'all see I don't break out in a sweater. I need to take this off. That's what it is. I'm out here trying to look too cool with my dickie. I gotta do my fit check here. Do my fit check. Like, here go my fit. Look. Look. Dickie's button up. Timu shirt. This is Timu. I lied, boy. Nah, it's your shin. Same thing though. Dickie's pants. I got the blazers. You feel me? The blazers with the Puma socks. The Puma socks and the fucking Chrome Industries keychain. Chrome Industries. You feel what I'm saying? Fucking. I got the Chicago Comb Company pick. You know what I'm saying? Everything they brand around here except for the shirt.
Let me see this thing. Man, fuck this shit.
Damn! It's crazy. Y'all see how Mikey be doing me? That's how I gotta be joking on him. Y'all gotta joke. It's a vibe in here today though. Look at this. It's a little vibe in here, you know what I'm saying?
Hello.
Are you fly?
No. Like in the last couple episodes, I have a lazy eye. So it's a lot right now.
Your eye gets tired.
Yeah.
You lying, bro.
It's called migraines.
Oh. Dead ass?
It is.
It from your eye?
Yes.
You lying, bro.
I don't have muscle behind my eyes, so it's a lot of strain.
So when you try to like use that eye, it gives you a headache.
For me standing there doing making sure I'm in nobody's way like it.
That shit hurt your eye?
Yeah.
That's a thing? I didn't know that was a thing.
It hurts.
Hey, does your, Riley, be the model real quick. Just like, do you get that little black line that comes across your screen and stuff? Do you see it? Let me aim it over. Eee, this nigga was sweating off on that motherfucker. Eee, I just put my hand in that nigga's. Ooh. Ooh. Yo, that whole back. Oh. Don't sit there. It got booty sweat on it. Don't sit there. But there's like a line though, like it's a black line that like comes through. Like, oh, I trying to wait. Look, watch when I turn on us. You see it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's weird.
It could just be the LCD.
Maybe. No, because the quality, like when I actually, the last time I filmed here though, the video came out that way. It's still filming by the way.
I know, I see it.
I'm about to go wash the ass sweat off my hands.
All right.
Go for the vlog.
Okay, we'll do it like this. Get you something. Stop recording.
Three-piece right here. Ain't that serious? You feel me? You're a better filmer than me.
I can't wait to go back.
You got rid of the black line. No, not really. Yeah. He got rid of. Nah, it came back. Came back.
Other side right here is good.
It's good. You think it's good? He thinks it's good. You could do that. You could do that.
I've seen some people do it.
Yeah, I was all saying he could do that. You think your daddy can do it? You think he can do it?
Only if you can break the laws of physics. Only if you can break the laws of physics.
Oh, you saw mine? I didn't even know. I had no clue. Be here, folks.
I'm with the gang, you feel me? Like
I'm about to get my money's worth, bro. This post at 9, I'm leaving at 9.
Let's do it, bro.
Yeah, I'm leaving at 9. They got snacks in the thing.
fuck no.
You don't want to wall ride it?
Oh, hell no, bro.
Yep. You gonna wall ride it?
Hey, if I would.
Said what?
If I could backside that I would, but I can't fall front side.
You gonna wall ride it?
Snack.
I think he would
Snack.
What are you talking about?
Give me a snack.
I don't got snacks.
That wall
Snack.
I don't have snacks.
That wall will ride me if I try to wall ride it.
Yeah, so the dude right there with the blue shirt and the van in front of the drop-in,
Yeah.
he was like, let's play. So then we were playing and it was like T to A. He had A. And I did a fakie tray. He missed that. And then he did like a tray flip sex change. So I couldn't win.
Damn.
But I got
Tray
pretty
flip,
close.
that's tray flip sex change,
He did a tray flip
nigga?
sex
Shit.
And he was like, your shoulder has to be basically straight. You do the scoop, and before you land it, you gotta like section. He did his, he landed, it was like dead ass like this. But when I did mine, my foot was right here, but I couldn't connect.
Damn. That's whack. Whack as F.
Look at that graphic, see that graphic.
I put a sticker over the original head there. It came with
That is fucking sick, dude. Hell yeah. Yo. You got it right here?
Nah, I ain't got it.
Bro, right here, you got it. He's got the board slide and you got the hurricane, bro. Hey, Christian won earlier. Here, film me hitting the 50.
You going 50 it?
I'm gonna do like a 50. Yeah.
Okay.
Finally. Big game.
Light the party up!
Let the party go. I'm working out today, boy.
Are you? How many steps you got?
I don't know. I got a lot of walk.
You don't want me filming no more? You want both of us to film it? Both of us.
What was he doing?
We're both filming it.
What are you doing?
He's doing a front nose. Where'd you get that from? So watch out, he about to come over. They got what?
I told you they had snacks.
I didn't say they didn't have snacks. I just didn't know. Hold on, wait. We'll go over there because he about to come over here. I'm just saying, thank you. You're the best. What?
That was it.
What?
I'll do this one more time, bro.
That's what they all say.
What we're selling.
What I tell y'all, he said one more try. But look, he's walking back right now. Look at him. He's walking back. They got snacks in there.
I told you.
I told you. Well, I didn't really know, but.
Yeah.
Yeah! I don't even. You caught it, right? You caught it? I didn't catch it. I was turned around. My bad. That was dope, though.
Man, I'm tired now.
What's the clip look like? Oh!
You caught that bitch.
Nasty. Nasty. Yeah. Oh! Okay. Y'all, vlog, Travis pulled up. He about to ollie up the thing. He gonna ollie up. And you got it right here, bro. You got it right here. Make a full attempt. quick, you want a fun fact, bro? Want a fun fact? Want a fun fact? I don't know whose stuff it is. Look, here's a fun fact. These wheels on this board, I call these my protest wheels. These was these wheels that carried me and pushed me through the streets while getting chased by the police during the protest. These are the same wheels. The same with these wheels right here. He's got me away from LMPD, yo. LMPD, these wheels right here. These these right here, these the protest wheels. These was the wheels I had that I was running away from the police on. They chased me on me, I was pushing through the city, bro. I just remember that, like, these my protest wheels.
Why was you protesting?
Nigga, you know Black Lives Matter 2020, remember we was downtown? Yeah.
BLM?
Yeah.
Breonna
That lady
Taylor.
steal all that money?
He's talking about Breonna Taylor.
No, Breonna Taylor.
But the Black Lives Matter.
No, we just talking about Breonna Taylor.
No, I'm talking about the lady that stole all the money from the
I'm not-
organization. All y'all niggas donate. Niggas was
I
donating
didn't
money.
donate shit. I was in them streets.
He's talking about
I
Barbara
was in
Stanton.
the streets.
You know what I'm talking about though?
I remember that, but I was in the streets protesting.
I'm talking about Black Lives Matter, the organization. The organization itself, people donated to it.
Oh, yeah.
The lady, the person that started and opened the organization, she took all the money that was donated to Black Lives Matter, pieced the fuck out, bought herself a house, gone. Didn't give a fuck about Black Lives. She didn't give a fuck about that.
Sad, man. It's sad.
I wasn't marching for that. I was just marching for Breonna Taylor.
That's what you was marching for.
I was marching for Breonna. I was marching for Breonna Taylor. My protest wheels. I got a lot of trust in these
You get a
protest
picture of me?
wheels. You want to get you want a photo? I got you, bro. It's all good. It's all good. No, you got another
I was trying to add to his clip. Hold on, here you go. I was trying to add to his clip saying that boy's cold, but you didn't.
Hot ass breath. Hot ass breath.
I don't know if I want to touch you, bro. I'm sweaty.
Hot ass
Sorry,
breath.
bro. What do you say? What's going on?
You got hot ass.
I was about to say this boy cold, but he wouldn't come back over with it.
I wasn't ready. Hold on, wait, look. I was cold with it, bro. Look at this. This is perfect, bro. Look. Hey.
Wait, we trying to film.
Hey. Chill. I get him. Get him.
You got that?
You got it. Yeah. I see you.
I know how to ride a scooter, a bike, and a skateboard. Now I just need to learn how to drive a car.
There you He's so Hey, you should hear Riley say he's like, I know how to ride a scooter, I know how to ride a bicycle, I know how to ride a skateboard, now I gotta learn how to drive a car. Woo! Woo! Yeah! Hey, I caught it in the background. It's in the back. Hey. Yo, that was sick, bro. That was sick. Hey!
Let's go.
That was dope. What we gotta do? What we gotta do?
One time, you know about the love we share. It's been always there. I'll put my money on you, and I got to live for tomorrow. Hey, 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 yeah, 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 yeah.
Come on, get in there, get in there, go on, get in there, get in there. You don't leave with Robert, you don't want. He don't want to leave with a rock. My boy out here finally ollieing off of shit. That's what's up. Yeah, just did a board slide down that rail. Riley up in here being Riley. Mikey in here being Mikey. Nah, don't do. Nah, stop wasting the wax, bro. We need this to wax up curves.
It's friction.
I know. Just stop wasting the wax, though. Goodness. But yeah, we about to call it a night. We out, right? We out this bitch. Get my shit together. Ooh, sweat in my eyes. Hope you enjoyed this edit. Holla at y'all. Sprak Skate Parks. Hate life, I hate life. Afro Damas, I'm out.